Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's explore 3 more idioms that are perfect for describing social interactions. I'll also show you how they compare to basic English so you can see the difference. Let's get started. Idiom 1, spill the beans. This idiom is all about revealing a secret, often unintentionally or before the right time. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She revealed the secret about the surprise party. With the idiom, she accidentally spilled the beans about the surprise party. The idiom adds a sense of casualness and humor to the situation, making it more engaging. Idiom 2, the elephant in the room. This idiom refers to a significant issue that everyone is avoiding or pretending doesn't exist. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. Everyone ignored the big issue during the meeting. With the idiom, nobody talked about the elephant in the room, our budget issues. The idiom vividly conveys the awkwardness of avoiding an obvious problem, making it more impactful. Idiom 3, go the extra mile. This idiom describes making an extra effort to help or achieve something beyond what is expected. Here's the comparison between basic English and the idiom. Basic English. She made extra effort to make her guests feel comfortable. With the idiom, she went the extra mile to make her guests feel welcome. The idiom emphasizes dedication in a motivating and positive way, making the message more memorable. So there you have it, 3 idioms that you can use to make your conversations more expressive and engaging. Here's your challenge. Pick one idiom and use it in a sentence this week. Share your sentence in the comments below. See you in the next one.